Welcome back to the vlog. I just got my size skirts. I actually ordered them, but I did the video on them. I actually ordered them gloss black, but I didn't like the gloss black that he had, so I kinda like just paint them. I mean, I didn't professional paint them, but I just want them to be shiny. So I think they're gonna look pretty good. They're pretty long and pretty thick though. I don't know, they're like super thick. So half of that is gonna be under the car. But anyway, I just wanted to do a video and show you how they looking out right now. I just put some adhesion I sand them with 320 sandpaper. Then I put some adhesion promoter, and then I paint them gloss black. I didn't put no clear coat on it. It's just gonna be size skirts, no big deal. But I didn't put no clear coat on it. They look pretty shiny. I got this Rust Oleum high gloss black, and that's what I use on them. But man, they look good. I'm happy with the results. Can't wait to install them. They like super dry now, so I'm just gonna bring them inside because it's already late. I was working on other stuff today, so when I get them installed, then I do a video and keep you guys updated. Man, it's been a month since I have the BMW, and that thing is already like doing a really big change. But I keep you guys updated. Alright, just subscribe, hit the like button if you want to keep seeing the journey. Until the next one, my people, be safe.